Stuck on what to choose for your final year project? Let's make it simple and useful. Pumps are everywhere: water, HVAC, industry, agriculture. And that makes them perfect for practical, high-impact projects. Project Idea 1. A solar-powered booster system with dynamic pressure feedback. Combine a basic solar setup with a pressure sensor and controller. You'll learn hydraulics, control, and sustainability, all in one. Project Idea 2. Energy loss tracking in aging pump stations. Map out efficiency loss over time using real or simulated data. It's a great project if you're into data plus energy optimization. Project Idea 3. Smart alarms for dry run and cavitation protection. Use vibration sensors or flow pressure patterns to create warnings. A low-cost solution that can save major damage in real systems. What makes these topics stand out? They solve real problems. They're scalable, and they go beyond theory. You don't need a groundbreaking idea. You need a grounded one, with relevance, data, and a clear outcome. We help turn ideas into impact at Fluidemy by Ebitt.